All right, Leo, we're here at Doc's Motorcycle Parts. Nice, beautiful 2026 Low Rider ST in for an LED upgrade. Bike's got a whopping 160 miles on it. Bike looks good. I bet it rides good. As you can see, he's got the stock LED in there. He's gonna upgrade it, go with what's popular now. I think one of the best headlights out there available. He's going with the Custom Dynamics Shark Demon Headlight Assembly LED. It's gonna look good. Real good illumination. Lifetime warranty. We have a bunch of these in stock for low riders, touring, road glides. So stop on down, get yours while we have them. Other than that, this is gonna be a nice before and after. We'll do a wrap-up video when it's done. All right, Leo, so we're back with that 26 Low Rider ST. As you can see, that Custom Dynamics Shark Demon Headlamp Assembly. I like how it looks. I like how it looks before the light. It looks good, but it's a nice illumination. Check it out. Nice. Looks good. It's gonna definitely see more, but that's it. Custom Dynamics Shark Demon LED headlight. There's the low beam. I like how it looks. I like how it kind of sits in there in the fairing. So 2026 Low Rider ST, that's a wrap.